I am, I will be, and I was. The verb to be in present, future, and past tense seems easy, right? But in Bulgarian, there are some specific little things, or not so little, when we conjugate the verb in all the pronouns, in all the forms, and when we want to use it in present, in past, and in future. How I know it? I know it from our students that actually when they start speaking, this is one of the most common verbs, right? I think you also use it. And then actually we see that with different forms, depending if we say I, he, she, we, they, the verb is changing. Of course, it's an exception, doesn't follow the rules of the other verbs. So actually it's not so easy. And something else I've noticed from our students, the foreigners that they're learning Bulgarian, it's that they use very often the form of I, what I just said in the beginning of the video, I am, for example, but the other forms not so often, and with time they fade away. So hopefully this video will be useful for you and you can just listen to it, probably if needed, repeat it, and learn these forms by heart. Before we go to it, I would ask you a little favor. If you're watching our videos and if you enjoyed them, please subscribe to our channel, because here for the YouTube, we're trying to make longer educational videos. Our other channels, let's say Instagram or other, they're, let's say, more developed, but they're also with different content. So we want also, of course, to develop this channel and we need your help. So if you like the videos, please subscribe and leave us a comment below, because it helps the channel to reach more people that potentially could find it useful. So let's start with the verb to be. So I am, as some. Ti si, you are. Той е, he is. Тя е, she is. То е, it is. As you see, it's the same. Той, тя, то е, the same form. Ние сме, we are. Вие сте, you are. Here pay attention, you in plural when we talk about many people, or when you talk to one person but you use the polite form. And те са, they are. Okay? So, аз съм, ти си, той е, тя е, то е, ние сме, вие сте и те са. Okay? Let's see it now in the past. This also actually very quickly can help you use past tense in Bulgarian, because you can say, I was at the mountains. How I am now, for example, yes? So you can say, аз бях на планина. Okay? I was at the mountains. Or аз бях в София, in Sofia. Okay? Ти беше, you were. Той, тя, то, he, she, it. Беше, той беше, тя беше, то беше на планина, at the mountains. Ние, all of us, we, ние бяхме. You see how forms are changing and it can be tricky. Вие бяхте, like you in plural, you were, и те бяха, okay? They were. And now, let's jump to the future of the verb to be, which could be also relatively easy if, of course, you learn the forms. So, аз ще съм, or here, actually, you can say аз ще бъда, depends. Bulgarians, they use both forms. You know that in our educational center, we try to teach you the Bulgarian, of course, that it's in the textbook, but also the Bulgarian that people speak. So both forms, actually, you can meet. Both forms are equally used, I can say. So, аз ще съм, or аз ще бъда. Ти ще си, or ти ще бъдеш. Okay, so бъда, бъдеш, you see how the verb to be transforms, but you can also say ще plus the present form, ще съм, ти ще си. Той, тя, то, he, she, it, ще е, or ще бъде. Ние ще бъдем, we will be, okay, or of course, ние ще сме на планина. Вие ще сте, or вие ще бъдете, you will be. И те ще бъдат, or те ще са. They will be. Okay? Let us know in the videos, in the comments, if this kind of a video is helpful for you. because we try to make also a lot of grammar explanations, rules, a lot of vocabulary. But let us know if you'd like also to listen to some, let's say, conjugation of the verbs, how it's in this case, and if you'd like us to make more videos like this. Why I ask you? Because I was talking to one of my students just the other week, and he was telling me that sometimes, let's say, he's just doing the dishes or driving his car, and he puts one of our videos just to listen, even though there are things that he has learned or that he knows, or somewhere there, like he saw it in a textbook. It helps, when you repeat it, and also, of course, it helps pronunciation, but helps remembering. Let us know what you think. Thank you.